Starting a successful e-commerce business can be an exciting yet challenging journey. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a first-time business owner, building a thriving online brand from scratch requires a clear strategy, dedication, and an understanding of key fundamentals. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to launch your e-commerce business, from finding your niche and choosing the right platform to creating a strong online presence and marketing your products effectively. By the end, you'll have the tools and insights needed to turn your ideas into a successful online store. Would you like me to dive deeper into specific steps, like choosing a platform or marketing strategies? Or should I add some real-world examples to make it even more actionable? 1. Identify your niche and choose a product. The first step in starting an e-commerce business is identifying a niche and selecting the products you want to sell. A niche is a specific segment of the market that caters to a particular audience or solves a unique problem. The more focused your niche, the easier it will be to target and engage your audience. Here's how to choose the right niche. Passion and interest. Start by considering your passions and interests. If you're genuinely interested in the products you're selling, it will be easier to stay motivated and create an authentic brand. Market research. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, or social media to identify trending products and popular niches. Look for gaps in the market where demand is high, but competition is relatively low. Solve a problem. Successful products often solve specific problems or meet a need. Consider how your product can add value to your target audience. Once you've selected your niche, choose products that fit within it. You can sell physical products, digital products, or even services, depending on your business model. 2. Conduct competitor analysis. Before you launch your e-commerce business, it's essential to understand the competition in your chosen niche. Conducting competitor analysis allows you to identify your rivals' strengths and weaknesses, as well as potential opportunities for differentiation. To conduct competitor research, identify key competitors. Search for your niche products online and note the top-performing competitors in the market. Focus on their branding, pricing, and customer engagement. Analyze product offering. Review the product range, pricing strategies, and customer reviews to understand what's working and where there's room for improvement. Study their marketing. Look at your competitors' marketing channels, social media, SEO, email marketing, or paid ads, and assess how they attract and engage their audience. This will give you insights into potential marketing tactics you can implement. Competitor research helps you find opportunities to position your brand uniquely in the market. 3. Choose an e-commerce platform. Your e-commerce platform is the backbone of your online store. It's where your customers will browse, make purchases, and interact with your brand. Choosing the right platform is crucial for the success of your e-commerce business. Here are a few popular e-commerce platforms. Shopify. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms due to its user-friendly interface and vast range of features. It offers everything you need to launch, run, and scale an online store, including templates, payment gateways, and integrations. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin that allows you to turn your website into an online store. It's a great option for those who want more customization and control over their site's design and functionality. BigCommerce. This platform is known for its robust features and scalability, making it ideal for growing businesses. It offers advanced tools for managing large product catalogs, international sales, and multiple sales channels. Choose a platform based on your budget, the size of your product catalog, and the features you need to run your store. 4. Design your online store. Your online store's design plays a critical role in attracting and converting customers. A clean, intuitive, and visually appealing design will make it easier for visitors to browse your products and make purchases. When designing your e-commerce store, choose a professional theme. Most e-commerce platforms offer a wide range of pre-designed templates. Choose one that fits your brand's aesthetic and is optimized for user experience. Make sure the theme is mobile-friendly, as most online shoppers use mobile devices. Create a compelling brand identity. Your brand's logo, color scheme, and font choices should reflect your niche and resonate with your target audience. Consistency in branding builds trust and recognition. Optimize product pages. Ensure that each product page is detailed and visually engaging. Use high-quality product images, write clear and persuasive product descriptions, and include customer reviews where possible. A well-designed online store builds credibility and encourages visitors to convert into customers. 5. Set up payment and shipping methods. To create a smooth shopping experience, you need to provide secure and convenient payment and shipping options. This ensures that customers can easily complete their purchases and receive their products on time. For payments, offer multiple payment options. To cater to a global audience, provide various payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, and digital wallets. If you're selling internationally, consider offering options like Stripe or Klarna, which facilitate cross-border transactions. Secure transactions. Ensure that your site is equipped with SSL, secure socket layer, certificates to encrypt customer data and protect against fraud. Many e-commerce platforms have built-in security features, but it's essential to double-check. For shipping, determine shipping rates. Research different shipping providers to determine the most cost-effective solution for your business. Offer a range of shipping options, standard, expedited, and international, so customers can choose based on their needs. Provide clear shipping policies. Be transparent about your shipping times and costs on your website to avoid confusion and reduce cart abandonment. 6. Market your e-commerce business. Once your store is live, the next step is to drive traffic and attract customers. Marketing is essential for building brand awareness, generating sales, and growing your e-commerce business. Here are some effective marketing strategies. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website for search engines to increase organic traffic. Focus on keyword research, on-page SEO, meta descriptions, product titles, and building backlinks to rank higher in search results. Social media marketing. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to engage with your target audience. Share product images, promotions, and behind-the-scenes content to build your brand and increase visibility. Email marketing. Building an email list allows you to nurture relationships with your customers and drive repeat sales. Send out newsletters, promotional offers, and personalized product recommendations to keep your audience engaged. Paid advertising. Consider investing in Google Ads, Facebook ads, or Instagram ads to target potential customers. Paid advertising can help you reach a broader audience quickly, especially if you're launching new products or promotions. Consistent and strategic marketing will help you grow your audience and convert visitors into customers. 7. Focus on customer service and retention. Providing excellent customer service is key to building long-term relationships and encouraging repeat purchases. Satisfied customers are more likely to leave positive reviews, refer friends, and become loyal to your brand. To improve customer service, offer multiple support channels. Provide options for customers to reach out to you through live chat, email, or phone support. Promptly responding to inquiries builds trust and keeps customers satisfied. Implement loyalty programs. Reward repeat customers with loyalty points, discounts, or exclusive offers. Loyalty programs incentivize customers to continue shopping with your brand. Ask for feedback. Regularly ask customers for feedback and reviews to improve your products and services. Address any negative feedback professionally and use it as an opportunity to improve. Happy customers are one of the best ways to grow your e-commerce brand, as they often become your most effective advocates. In conclusion, starting a successful e-commerce business is a rewarding endeavor that requires careful planning and execution. By following these step-by-step guidelines, identifying your niche, selecting the right platform, creating a compelling brand, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving online store. Remember, persistence and adaptability are key to overcoming challenges and achieving long-term success. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and tips on e-commerce and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your e-commerce journey.